Our neighbours' daughters, Meeta and Deepa, have come back from town after 2 years.
I heard they didn't bring back much money.
I heard they never wrote to their families from town or sent any money either.
What's this world coming to? The girls were doing good jobs.
Good job! Good job!
They should have thought about their parents. They're so poor.
I hear the girls are not keeping too well.
In town, one has to work very hard to earn money.
Money? Oh, money!
Mama, can we invite Deepa and Meeta to our house?
Yes. I want to know all about the town.
Yes, children, we would all like to hear their stories.
Hello!
It's so good to see you both.
My, how grown up you two look. Come and sit here.
Oh, Deepa, Meeta, please tell me about the town. Once Raju and I went there. Father took us to the zoo.
Zoo!
But Mittu fell into the water.
There's nothing to tell me now.
My child, what's wrong?
Oh,
You can tell us.
Oh, it was like hell. How we suffered.
You're like family to us. We will try our best to help you. Please tell us.
we are your friends.
Do you think Meena should listen to what we have to say?
Meena is growing up. It's okay for her to learn about life.
2 years ago, my aunt's friend from the next village came to visit us. Her brother was also with her.
Oh, what nice girls. They can earn good money if they take jobs in town.
But we don't know anyone in town. My girls don't know the town work.
They will learn. They are such clever girls. They can do housework. We have given such jobs to so many girls.
I have heard of some girls from my parents' village working in town.
Actually, 2 families that are looking for maids right now.
I know of some girls who even got married to good husbands in town.
I will take full responsibility for your girls. If they miss home or they don't like the work, I will bring them back. You don't trust me? Here, we will also give you some advance salary.
What else can we do? Our girls will be happy in town. They will earn money and we all will have enough to eat.
Life was very hard. All the girls were sad and afraid. There were some girls who were sold to this place by their husbands. We all wanted to go home, but we didn't know how. We didn't have any money. We cried every night. We didn't know how mother and father were doing. We couldn't send any money home. We spent 2 years in that place. And then I began to fall sick. Meeta wasn't healthy either. I couldn't earn. The people we worked for threw me out on the streets. They wouldn't let Meeta come with me. I found a destitute women's shelter that took me in. Finally, with the help of an NGO, Meeta was rescued with some other girls. The NGO connected me with Meeta. They took me to a doctor. They talked to me for a long time. And then we came home.
What's wrong with you, Deepa?
I'm very sick. I don't have many years to live.
You can tell our health worker of your sickness.
The doctor has told me I can't live many years. But I can choose to live like anyone else. The NGO people have helped me to think about my future.
Oh, my dears, how you've suffered.
Mama, can't these people be punished?
I think they should be, Meena. But first we must tell everyone not to trust strangers who take our girls to town with promises of good jobs.
Yes. Tomorrow we will call our neighbors and friends to discuss this.
And with our teacher too.
Oh no!
Have you told your parents about your sickness, Deepa?
What if they reject us, if they find out?
This could have happened to anyone. You didn't choose this. You will have to tell them soon. You need their love and understanding now.
We want to tell them, but what happened is so shameful.
Oh, my child. They're your parents after all. I can bring this up with them.
Oh, Grandma, that would help so much.
You have to be strong and share your story with others. Only then people will realize the dangers of sending their girls to town without first making sure about their safety or marrying them off to strangers.
Only then our daughters can be protected.
For months we looked for our girls. We couldn't find them. The woman and her brother had disappeared completely. We tried to trace the girls through people we knew in town.
I am grateful to Grandma for telling us everything. We will take care of our girls. They are our daughters. They belong here.
Older girls may have to look for work in town, but parents must make sure that they're safe in town.
Yes, parents need to check out the place where their girls would be working.
Girls should be provided with addresses of relatives as well.
I think the background of people who offer jobs should be checked with our community members or the police.
But younger girls should not be sent to work. They should stay in school.
Stay in school.
Look at this, Mithu. This is so beautiful.
Oh, beautiful, beautiful.
The people in this village are so simple. I've taken many girls from here to town.
Gave them good jobs, huh?
I've managed to convince the parents of 4 girls this time. They are young and will create less trouble.
And bring in more money. So tonight, we start with the new girls.
Me too. I'm sure I've seen these men before. They scare me. Let's run.
So you were listening, my sweetie, huh?
I was plucking flowers.
She has heard too much. We can't let her go now. Huh?
Let us take her with us.
Yes.
She will bring in good money.
You are right, very right.
Don't try any tricks or make any noise. I will kill you if you try to be smart.
We will drug her. She will be half asleep. We can carry her with us in the bus without much trouble. Huh?
Now be a good girl and we will not hurt you, huh? We will come back in a few hours.
What if her family starts looking for her?
No one comes to this part of the village. People are superstitious about this place.
Oh.
By the time they realize she's missing, we will be gone.
Mittu, we have to get out of here before the men come back. Come on, Mittu. Push. Oh, Mittu, I can't do it. They will surely take me.
Come on, Meena. Do it.
Come on, Mittu.
Do it.
Mittu, hurry.
Oh! There is the man who took my daughters to town!
Where did you hide all this time?
But your girls are doing very well in town. It's not my fault if they don't come home. Now what?
I don't know.
Father! Mama! These men...
Let's hand over these scoundrels to the police.
Police!
Don't you know that there's a very strict law against people who take girls like this?
We are so proud of you, Meena. Because of you, we managed to save those 4 girls.
If our daughters have to work, from now on, each of us must make sure that they are in safe places.
Mama! Oh, Mama!
There are many NGOs and schemes going on in the village where our girls can find work. They can also become school teachers, like me.
Meena, if I were you, I would have caught those men like this myself.
Raju, you should be a hero from now on. We have decided to form a group of young girls and boys to help others like us.